Okay, we're back on exam practice 10.2. Moving on to question 3 and 4 now. My video cut out on me, so we're just going to jump into the next one. So question 3 is asking, so again it says a connected planar, which means that we can use Euler's formulas, and it has 10 edges and 10 faces. So just asking for the number of vertices. So again, I'm just going to write down that E is equal to 10 and F is equal to 10. So then I'm going to go up again and select which formula. So I'm looking for V equals. So I'm going to use this formula here. V is equal to the number of edges minus the number of faces plus 2. So they're key formulas that you should have in your toolbox. So V is equal to E minus F plus 2. And then we just go ahead and plug in these values. So 10 minus 10 plus 2. So 10 minus 10, of course, gives us 0, plus 2 gives us 2. So we're looking at A for question 3. So you just keep working through plugging in the values, taking that information that they've given you. Some of it, like question 2, might be a bit ambiguous, so you're going to have to actually look at what answers are given and think through that problem. Okay, let's go through question 4 now. So it's a connected planar graph, so we can use Euler's formula. Has 10 vertices, so V equals 10, and 15 edges, so E is equal to 15. So then they go through and they actually remove a number of edges, but we're still left with a connected graph. Again, we can still use Euler's formula. This time it still has 10 vertices, but it now has 3 faces, it's telling us. So it wants us to find out how many of these edges were removed. So I'm going to work with this information here to find out how many edges we were actually left with. So that's going to tell us the difference. So I'm going to use the formula which looks for E. So E is equal to V plus F minus 2. Move this out of the way so I've got a bit more room. So we know our V and F, so we just plug in the values. So 10 plus 3 minus 2, which gives us 11. So that means that we had 11 edges after we removed some of them. So I know that I started with 15. I then was left with 11. So how many did I take away? So I took away 4 of those edges. So 4 is A. So that's how you work those out. Yeah, just using that formula and working through. So again, really key to put those different formulas in to your toolbox or your cheat sheet, especially these transposed ones, because it's going to make it nice and simple for you.